this is how you do it. There's a button on the top, and you just literally just press the button, and then you just fucking fling around. You guys ready? You guys ready? Okay, okay, okay. Yo, guys, I just want to tell you guys I'm an awesome bull rider. With one hand? Okay, one hand only? Rider? Okay, wait. I have to do it for as long as I can, right? Keep going till you fall off? Okay, ready? I feel like, do I need the helmet? You think this is a better helmet? Yo, I can do this all day. Yo, I can do it all day, but honestly, guys, no, I can do it all day, but then I was transitioning my thigh burns. I'm getting thigh burns. You guys, but I'm a bull trainer. Should we try again? Wait, can we try again? Should we try again? How long do we have to do? No, am I supposed to go forever? Helmet on? No, you don't need a helmet. When have you guys ever seen bull riding with a helmet? It's never been a time. One more time. This is so fun. This is all stream, guys. I'm just a bull riding content streamer now. I'm not taking my jacket off. My boob is gonna literally fall off. 2 minutes? Start the timer. Okay. That is fast. Okay, 2 minutes. I'm getting thigh burns. Okay, we gotta chillax. She never listens to us but says she does. I never listen. Reverse bull rider. Let's go on. Store closing. Bull riding at a real road is done with helmet, but fake bull riding. Exactly. Our turn. 9:30 seconds. My thighs hurt. I'm getting rug burn on my thighs. How do I stop rug burn on my thighs? Rug burn. How do I yeah, my thighs are gripping. How do I not get that? Did you tell competitor the seat? Nah. Wear the helmet. Jazz, you have sexy hair. Just rub some dirt and go trampoline. Yo, okay. Lotion or jacket on the legs. Wear something long. Vaseline, leather chaps, assless chaps. Okay, you ready? Ready, chat? Yo, I'm an expert bull rider. I'm an expert bull. Don't moan I ride? Why? I can't look away. This is so fun. I'm having so much fun. SEOUL, you missed a dono? Wait, what happened? What dono? Let's see. I missed a dono. Let's see. Oh, Anonymous, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Is there a media with that? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. That's so nice of you. Kiwi says, helmet on, please. Chat. Helmet on. Jasmine. Helmet on. Helmet on, please. Yeah. Guys, I just would like to know that I'm a genius writer. I can go on forever, but my thighs look chapped. Write it backwards? No. First of all, I can't hit the thing back. Jacket off, helmet on. Guys! Yo, can someone clip that and ship it? Thank you so much, chat. Twitch IQ Rider. Okay. What should we do now? Should we continue one-handed, side, saddle? How are we doing it? Use lube on thighs. Try hard until you fall off. Thanks, Tasha. It's so slow. Protection first. It's like it goes that's good the way it's gonna go. One-handed, sideways. You gotta make your head less floppy. Yo, keep the button held down. I think it gets more intense. Does it? Bill gets lots of people touching it. Oh yeah. We already put here. This hand sanitizer right here. Put jacket on thighs. Unstream. We should get a real bull now. Mechanical cow. No, it's not 3 seconds, Soryash, okay? How dare you, okay? Let's go see something else. We gotta go back. We have to have a challenge. Did you go on a date with Greek God Eggs? No. We should call Japandi and then challenge him to a bull ride. Because if he does a bull ride, we put pants on, we can go forever. I swear I could go forever. Hold the buttons, don't let go. That bull causes chafing. Yeah, I'm chafing, okay? You guys want my thighs to be chafed, okay? You guys might want it, but I don't know what you guys want. Your head looked like a bobblehead just now. Yeah, that's what happens, okay, when you're bull riding. Call that boy. She's addicted already. I'm addicted to bull riding. I like it. I like it. Let me see. Okay. Trampoline. No, we should stop doing all the bouncy shit. Hoverboarding. Okay, rollerblading or hoverboarding? What did you do to Roger? Why isn't he streaming? I don't know. And who's Roger? Roger that? I mean, airpoline. Am I right, chat? Airpoline. Airpoline. Should we just go in here? Girls jumping on trampolines. We can't do, okay, everyone's saying hoverboarding, right? Okay, hoverboarding it is. Hoverboarding, it is, chat. Joe called. Hoverboarding. I don't know how to hoverboard. What? How does this work? How does this work? Wait.
I'm happy you're having fun, Jess. It's fun time for us too.
Oh, I love you so much, Sam. Thank you. I really appreciate that. I'm having fun. Honestly, it's good. We can't. I'm like trying to break into the hoverboard area. What? How do you hoverboard? Excuse me. I think we have to ask someone to hoverboard, maybe? On. Okay. We have to ask someone to hoverboard. We'll do that later. Trampoline in the meantime? So we're staying here all night. We should eventually call Japan to do some challenges with us because I do think that would be fun. But we should go in, right? We should go in. We should go in. Let's jump for a bit. Just jump for a tiny bit. Live leak. Just don't break the ankles. Okay, what's the... Do you jump with their shoes? No, right? No one jumps with their shoes. Shooting? Ooh. Hi, Shadow. It's more fun with our friends. Southern Japan. Japan. Just do it. Okay. Well, there's not shoes off. Yes? My thighs be thick. You ask politely to get... What? In your defense. You ask politely in your defense. No. We should take our jacket off for this one. Actually, no, we shouldn't, because a bob's gonna pop out, right? Wait, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let you guys watch from here, and I'm gonna practice jumping because I want to see if my bob's gonna pop out. You know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take my coat off. Wait, one sec. I'm gonna take my coat off. So I'm gonna take my coat off. We won't look if they do. Jacket on, your bobs are fine, Jess. Yo, Nexus! You guys don't understand until your bob pops out. We go in LSF. Next thing you know, I'm banned. But to be fair though, like my clip wouldn't even be on LSF. The worst part is when you get